Hey, so I've had some people asking about the little quick system that I've got put together for doing karaoke in some of our area bars here. There's one bar that I play in quite a bit right now, which is pretty much my main DJ gig that I do, and I want to have it so it's quick and easy. What I've done is I actually have everything on a cart here, and then I can basically bring my little Subaru out back to the door, throw everything on, and be on my way in less than 5 minutes. So a couple of pieces that I want to tend to talk about in this video that have really been something that I've been pleasantly surprised at how well they work. So let's jump right into that. First off, microphone-wise, I don't want to spend a ton of money on microphones, so I went with some Phenyx Pro mics, and the ones I'm actually using, this one I'm showing you this one. This is a spare, and now you're like, why is that important? First off, this system I'm using is got pretty good sound. It has pretty good range. It does wonderfully for the DJ side of it, or for the karaoke side of it, when they're singing about 30 feet in front of me. Picture right here, that's how far away they are of where I'm doing it. And I can get a replacement mic for $59. So there's the replacement. And this is the actual system itself. This is a True Diversity system. This is the PTU 2U. Now, True Diversity, 2 microphones in the system. It plugs into my my Denon 7000. It comes out of this with an 1/4-inch jack. It's a 1/4-inch mono jack, and it goes into my board into mic 2. It works really well. I don't have the most control of the microphone sound. I've got the 2 gains here, and then I can adjust. Say if I've got a loud singer with mic 1 and not with mic 2, I can adjust a little bit here. It's not the greatest. It's not professional, but for something quick and easy and effective, it works wonderfully. Now, they've changed it a little bit since I bought this. I'll put links in the description below so you can check it out. But this system, I think I paid $3.99 for it, and I believe now they're running around $4.99, something in that ballpark. Coming up with Black Friday, there's going to be some discounted deals on this system, and the other, pretty much all the other systems that come from Phenyx Pro. So you can definitely be able to pick something up like this. But again, it's 2 microphones. It has the on-off button on the bottom of it. Let me show you, actually. And it works pretty well, because I've got a couple of my regulars that know that the button, the on-off, the power button is on the bottom. They can push, and they'll actually go and mute it. I've had them mute it when they're doing their thing, because they know what they're doing. It works wonderfully. AA batteries, and then off you go. So I'm really happy with this, because again, I can buy it, and I did have to replace one of them that got damaged during a show. So $59 later, I had replaced the microphone, held the little thing up and had them do the little talk back and forth, and off we went. So the microphone, on this stand, I've got some lights here. I've got some Chauvet Bluetooth lights. I've got my speakers down below. I've got some Electro Voice 12-inch subs and the 10-inch two-way tops. And then I've got my cable bag and a few other things here. But the final thing I want to kind of talk about in this video is how I'm running the video. I've been running music video as well as the karaoke. And the company that this is, if you guys have gotten a chance to watch our karaoke show, we've got a team that Matt and Eric and a whole crew that are talking karaoke a couple of times a month. And that will stream on our channel. They record these on Monday nights, sometimes Tuesday, depending upon their schedule. They talked about this in one of the shows. So you can go get some more real-life experience from them using this. But this is an HDMI HD transmitter receiver kit, and they have it in one transmitter, and it literally can plug into the laptop with the HDMI out, and then it can transmit to TVs or any HDMI source. Now the big thing is that it has to have USB power, and it has to be a decent USB power. It can't be like a 1 amp type of, or 1 watt, whatever it is. I'm not even sure what the requirement is, but it takes the 5 volt 2 amp is what they should have. So that 2.1, that's what should be powering this unit. So I went and I bought a couple of them, and it comes with let me just grab one of them. I bought the little USB pieces, and I ended up having to buy some connectors, some female to female connectors. So this is the RX here. So this is a receiver. There's a little antenna you can fold up, not that that matters, but then you have to plug it into power, which is USB powered. Many of the TVs that are out there have USB to power things, but it's not enough to power these. So it's just best to have the little cord. I did the little adapters like this. And again, I'll put links in the description below for this and for the adapters. I did this because I'm running 3-foot jumpers from behind the built-in TVs, and I have I've got 2 of the big TVs that are hooked up. So these two, these receivers are plugged into those little 3-foot jumpers. Then we switch the input. So those TVs now are showing my music videos, and then they're showing my my karaoke. And then I have another one that is all set up, and it looks the same. Literally, it looks the same. It's in my bag here. There we go. This is the transmitter. It just literally can plug in to the side of my because I'm Macintosh. I had to have a USB-C. I've got a little hub device that has HDMI out. This plugs into that and then transmits to all of them. This is also powered by USB-C. That little system will transmit the videos. There's virtually no lag to it. The music videos, sometimes you can see that it's not as smooth, but boy, after you really wouldn't notice if you wouldn't even think twice about it. You might get a little bit better image coming across with a wired connection, but for how quick this is to set up compared to running a wire around the dance floor and then splitting to go to those 2 TVs and splitting to go back over here, this is way easier. When the guys talked about it and were sharing about the information about this, I was like, that is so cool. I definitely need to get some, and I've been very, very happy. So just a couple of quick purchases with my little system that I'm using. We'll get into maybe, future, we can talk software and different things. I'm going to try to jump on their show on a Monday night to talk to them and get more information about how they've been able to go out there and make money doing this kind of stuff, because it's not super hard once you've got the pieces. Once you've got the pieces, it can be quick and easy. Get in, get out, do your thing, and have a good time, and put some money in your pocket for the weekend. This is John Young. Links again in the description below. Check them out.